The difference with us is that I had a strength in one area and David had a strength in the other area. And because of those two strengths back in the very beginning, it's just worked fabulously. To this day, he is so great in his area. I can do my area well. And we've always relied on that because we're partners. That's what we are. I mean, we're obviously husband and wife, but we were business partners long before we got married.
Right.
And that's very unusual because normally people butt heads because they have they both have the same strength and they're both trying to pull back and forth. And so they butt heads. In this case, it wasn't the case. He was great and so great at what he still does. And my area was so different that it worked. And I think that that's highly unusual, especially then getting married and raising a family and doing all that we've done. So.
Yeah. I mean, that's a lot. You guys had a lot going on, obviously, not just with the laundry, but with the family too. And
moving parts.
A lot of moving parts. But I think that's so wise. And I think that is really good secret sauce. And it probably translates pretty well to other types of partnerships too, like a business partnership. I see a lot of people go into business with people who have the same strengths as them, which is great. But then you have this,
it's not great.
You have this weak spot over here that nobody's good at. Nobody wants to do.
It's not. And we all do things that we like to do. We just do.
Yep.
We don't do the things we don't like to do.
Yeah. You avoid them if you don't like them.
Mm-hmm.
And you jump right in when it's something you enjoy. So it is. I think it absolutely is so true that if you can have that balance across the board of knowledge as well as desire, then your chances of success are pretty darn good.